Hiya folks, Brother Bryce here from @SpareTimeIsMine. I want to welcome you here to what will be part 1 of my affiliate marketing startup series. If you don't know me, I'll keep this introduction brief. I'm a successful high-ticket affiliate marketer who's been teaching and helping folks for the last 20 years. Between YouTube marketing, creating tutorial videos, participating in various affiliate programs, and hosting my own daily webinars and podcasts, I have millions and millions of views across about 20 YouTube channels. And my reels on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok regularly get hundreds of views within the first couple of hours. Over my career, I've taught a lot of people how to make money. And one of the most common things I hear is, I can't afford to even get started, or you just don't get it. I work a 9-to-5 job. I've heard variations on these excuses for many years, and I wanted a solution for that problem. That's why this video series exists. It's a solution. In this series, we're going to start at the very beginning and work our way up at your own pace within your budget. You're going to hear me say over and over, do not do anything you cannot afford. And that applies every step of the way. We'll talk about various products and services that can help you make this project a lot easier. But remember, every one of these is optional. I'll show you how I do it and what is working for me, and you will make your own decisions on what you do and do not purchase to help you accomplish your goals. Links to these products and services will always be in the video descriptions below, and I will always give you the best description of these items that I can, so that you can make the best decision for your business and your family. Unlike most online opportunities, you're going to get to see behind the scenes even before you ever sign up for a single thing. Most businesses, you end up looking and listening to a lot of hype and schlock before you ever get to see anything of substance. Or worse yet, you buy some stupid course for thousands of dollars and still have no idea what you're getting yourself into, only to be sold even more expensive stuff on the other side. I will show you everything right here for free. Down the road, I'll even show you how you can make your own video series just like this one for your own business. And all the video software is totally free. As you're on this journey, know that I am very available. My phone number is right here, and you can text me anytime. We can even set up a time for a call if that's what you need. My response times are going to vary because I run a bunch of different businesses, but generally you can depend on me to get back to you within 24 hours, and oftentimes much quicker. In this series, you'll learn about different ways to promote your business, like email marketing, YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. The more you hustle with all these tools daily, the more money you're going to make over time. I know everybody wants fast results. We live in the age of instant gratification and one-day shipping. But imagine if in 1 year, by spending an hour or less each day, you could make as much money as your full-time job. Doesn't that sound possible? Sticking with it can really pay off. To keep your expectations very realistic, I'll be very upfront with you. If you've never done this kind of work before, it's going to seem like kind of a grind at first. It can seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, if you get into a routine of taking massive action right away every day, this will crank out and your workflow will get more refined every day as your skill set improves. Some folks even manage to hustle their asses off and get it down to around 15 minutes a day. This series will focus on a company called the Home Business Academy, or HBA. Remember when I said this series is a solution? I say that because the starting cost to get going is only $25 a month. That's it. It's not MLM or multi-level marketing, because it's just you and the people you refer, not anyone else below that, not a whole bunch of levels. By definition, it totally demolishes the pyramid scheme argument because there aren't multiple levels, and it's a super real product and service. I chose HBA because of the owner's incredible commitment to your success. Their support is ridiculous and amazing. Just attend one of their Monday night masterminds with all these crazy successful, helpful, generous people, most times even with the founders, and you'll see what I mean. You'll also see on the site that they give a portion of the proceeds to charity. There are more items that you can get to help grow faster and easier, and I'll show you these going forward, but just to get started, it's $25 a month. You can't beat that, because with $25, you can create a $10,000 a month income. I'll explain how later, but at a minimum, that level of earnings is very achievable within 12 months or less. It's totally possible to make it bigger and faster too, but let's start right here. Now, before I go on, if you like this kind of content and want to learn how to earn $10,000 a month with a $25 subscription, make sure you click that like button. Like it with your thumb and grind out that subscribe button too. Make sure to click that bell icon. Otherwise, who even knows if YouTube's going to let you know when my next video comes out? So, what is the Home Business Academy? It's an online funnel building software that you can use just for the tools, or you can build a business around it like I've got here. Why is this a good deal? because at $25 a month, it's so much cheaper than alternatives like ClickFunnels, which you'd pay way more with limitations. Pretty much every single business or influencer that has any kind of online or social presence uses email and landing page funnels like this to do that part of their business. Basically, this is that tool. In fact, if you followed some of my emails and landing pages to eventually end up here at this video, that was a funnel that got you here. If you ever signed up for a coupon at a department store and eventually showed up at their huge tent sale because of a flyer you got, that was a funnel too. This is that. You can use HBA to promote your own business, whatever that business is, or you can use it right here with some pre-made templates and sell HBA for just what it is. Either way, it's a smoking deal for a tool you'll definitely need for whatever business you decide on. Now, all the pages I'm going to guide you through setting up here, they're all completely pre-built, pre-written. You literally just copy and paste them. The instructions make it click-by-click simple too. No technical skills needed. You won't need to hire a web designer or a sales copywriter. The pages I'm showing you here, I picked these because they perform super great and they really convert into sales. Now, you may have come to this video because of an email I sent you, and if you clicked on it, it would have taken you to this page right here. Now, if you came here because somebody else sent you to look at this video, I'm gonna urge you to talk to that friend and get the right link so that they can be your sponsor. But otherwise, I'm happy to help you right here, and my link to HBA is right here in the description of this video. On this page, read through the information, and there's a little recorded message from the charity that they give to. You can listen to that if you like. Fill in just your first name here and your best email. Now from here, I want to make something clear. I want you to use a Gmail here, and I want you to keep the very same email for every aspect of HBA. So wherever they ask you for an email for another part of it, you use the very same email. Super important. If you don't follow through with this part, you'll have some parts that don't work right. Trust me, when I first started up, I made a mistake on this, and Mike Hobbs, one of the founders, went in on a weekend and fixed this for me so that my stuff would work right. What a dude. Really, don't make the mistakes I make. All right, enough of my soapbox. Click on that heck yes, I want to see button. That's going to take you right to this page right here. I'm going to encourage you to watch this intro video too, although I'm not going to make you sit through 32 minutes of this right here. It's a really inspiring video. Once you checked out everything on this page, click that I want access button. When you first purchase access to HBA for $25, as you go through the checkout process, it'll offer this upsell option. This is totally optional. I mean, you totally don't have to check this box at all in order to start your business, but I'll tell you right now why I highly recommend it. This is their premium upgrade program. It's free for the first 2-week trial, and after that, it's another $125 a month on top of the base $25 subscription. The premium upgrade opens up access to advanced training modules to help increase your results. Things like exclusive funnel templates, business development strategies, sales training, Zoom calls all week, and more. It also helps you to earn much higher residual income from their affiliate program by way of 80% commissions on your referrals subscribing to premium. That's $100 per sale per month. You'd already be earning $20 a month commissions on every $25 sale you refer, but this premium option means you can earn larger commissions the more your referral networks grow over time. Again, if you can't afford this option right away, please don't feel pressured to check this box. But if you can spring it and $100 premium commission sounds awesome to you, totally do this. Once you complete your purchase, you'll receive an email with further instructions. That email will guide you through the affiliate section inside your back office area. You need this email. Check your spam folder. Look between the couch cushions. Look everywhere for that email. You'll need that in just a minute. Inside the site, head straight for the affiliate zone. There will be 4 onboarding video steps which you need to watch in full. I'm not going to make exceptions here or listen to any excuses. These will walk you through step by step, setting up the core parts of your business like sales funnels and order fulfillment. This is where you put on your completionist hat and get her done. The first video is on the commission structure and then configuring your payment processor, which is called SamCart. This integrates with your funnels so you can start collecting sales. Remember, use the same email for this part as when you first signed up. Now, they're going to ask you to buy a SamCart. If you see that, do not buy a SamCart. It's not needed for this. The second video is the quick launch strategy. It's going to help you understand the products and quickly get started promoting your business so you can start earning commissions right away. On step 3, this video series shows you how to install the ready-made funnel pages they provide into your account and copying and pasting your emails. They make it a simple drag and drop process. Now, if you have no plans to use email marketing or landing pages or building an email list, which is something I highly recommend, this is completely optional, but trust me, going forward, if you want to grow your business, email is still king. Mike guides you through the process of setting up your domain name and custom email, which I prepaid for 3 years at about $50 a year. Then he helps you set up your GetResponse account, which is what's called an Autoresponder, which manages your email list and sends out your automated emails. That costs you $19 a month for up to 1,000 contacts, but you can get a huge discount if you prepay for a whole year up front. I paid about $160 just by prepaying the whole year up front with a promo they had. It just made sense to me. But remember, step 3 is optional. I'm going to teach you many ways to promote your business, and this one is central to what I teach. But if you cannot afford to buy a domain, an email, and an autoresponder, don't panic. You can still promote your SamCart link directly to your social media, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and more, like how they show you in step 2. In the 4th video, they talk about how to promote your affiliate links and get traffic, eyeballs, on your stuff. The central theme of this step is really just like this video series, to develop a refined skill set. That's something I'm really focused on in my own business, and my intention is to impart that value on you. Learning to drive real traffic to your page is a skill you'll cherish once you achieve it. It is the key to every single successful business on the planet. These 4 steps in the affiliate zone walk you through doing the work of setting up your whole foundation of your new business. Follow these steps exactly. Then send me a text or Facebook message once you're finished, and we'll dive into the action items. Let me know if any other questions come up. One more step before you go. Now that you're part of the family, head on over to our private Facebook group. The super secret link is in the description of this video. Oh, and it's right there. Yeah. All right, that's going to wrap it up for part 1, starting your home business. Do me a favor and bookmark this playlist. Put it on your favorites. Then you can come right back here and join me for part 2. Now, tell me, is there something I left out up to this point? Is there something you wish I showed more detail on? Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, all my socials and the products and services are linked up in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.